Hello, my name is Mr. Olmec, and I'm going to be teaching your student in Algebra 2, AP Stats, or College Algebra this 9 weeks. In this class, we all have a Google Classroom, and so when your student opens their Google Classroom, it should look something like this. Whenever they are on this screen, you should notice under their different classes, theirs will be for their individual classes. It will have anything that is due today or any time that week. And so if they want to, they can click on that information right here and it will open up a new tab for them, or they can just go into the class. And so once they are in the Google Classroom, all the Google Classrooms look like this. In the Google Classroom, up here in this title bar, you have the link that they would click on to get into the Google Meets. All right. Anytime that I have any updates for their class in particular, I will type in the stream right here and I will type any new updates that we have for the class. Off to the side, you'll also notice it has an upcoming where it's going to talk about, just like before, what is due today and any time this week. The majority of the class will be spent in the classwork tab. So under the classwork tab, you'll notice there are a few things. So we have assignments here. Any of the assignments the students can click on. It will open up a description for the assignment, or they can click view assignment. When they click view assignment, it will take them to the instructions where they can get a better understanding of what they're supposed to do. Notice all assignments have the due date posted on the side, or it will just say posted if those assignments are not to be turned in. Down at the bottom, there's a syllabus and any additional resources that I think that they might need for the class. All right. I do want to talk about some of the behaviors and attendance expectations that we have here at our school. As far as behavior is concerned, all students in ABL are supposed to be respectful, showing courtesy to each other, their classmates, and to their teachers. Whenever they're in the class, students should have their cameras on, and they should have the functionality of their mic if they need to ask any questions during the class or to answer any questions as we're going through our class day. Students, when their camera is on, need to make sure that they are dressed appropriately, their setting is appropriate, we don't have a lot going on in the background. As far as attendance goes, we need to make sure that we are showing up every day for class, just like if it was a regular class day. Our attendance expectations of the students show up and they stay for the entire class unless they are released early on a particular day. Students who are leaving early or not showing up to class, we'll have a conversation with them, and then if that doesn't help remedy the problem, we will have a conversation with the principals, and it may, if it becomes an issue, be a warrant for removal from ABL, and we don't want that. We want everyone to be able to stay home and be safe if they so choose. So make sure we're showing up to class on time and we're staying for the duration on each of our class periods. Our tutorial times for this class are I can stay any day after school and do virtual tutorials. The student just needs to make an appointment with me, tell me, hey, Mr. Olmec, I need to stay for tutorials, and I'm happy to stay after any day after school here for this first semester. In the second semester, I am a coach for girls soccer, and so I'll be having practice after schools most days. And so again, we can schedule tutorial times when that time comes around, but it might need to be a little bit later than immediately following school at 3 p.m. All right. I just want to say again, welcome to the class. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. You can contact me at my email for the school, which is jolmac@alvinisd.net.